We humans have been sending cameras into space for almost 80 years. We took millions of pictures of our solar system, but until today, just pick out a new one. It can also make you drop your jaw. From the earliest grainy but super domineering green and black photos of the Earth, now the high definition of Bright Star can see the color map of the ice field. The way we look at the solar system, it's not what it used to be. Although there are only a few people who can look back at the Earth from space in their lifetime. But we ordinary people can also see the whole picture of the Earth. Over the past 70 years, from weather balloons to artificial satellites, and then our astronauts, I took thousands of beautiful photos of the Earth. Let you see how good looking he is. Also tell you secretly, the Earth is actually very brittle. Take this picture of the bright side of the Earth. It was taken by NASA's Epic camera. This camera is amazing. On the no-holds-barred DS governing satellite, 1.60 million kilometers from Earth. It takes a picture every 2 hours. It's all natural. It's exactly the same as looking at the Earth directly with your eyes. NASA was even more ruthless in 2016. Combine more than 3,000 photos into a year-round time-lapse video. You see that cloud floating around, overshadowing deserts and forests, and our dazzling blue sea. This is the Earth we live on. So beautiful, scientists used to scratch their heads. Venus is about the same distance from the Sun as Earth. Maybe it's a living twin. But here's the thing. Wait for the Soviet Venus probe to plunge into the clouds of Venus. Everyone is stupid. These are not twins. It's hell. In 1982, the Soviet Venera 13 took a color picture of the surface of Venus. This is the first time a color photograph has been taken from the surface of Venus. Originally, this detector was designed to be hard-pressed for half an hour. After all, the temperature on Venus can roast lead. Pressure can crush people into cakes. And guess what? He landed and relayed data for 2 hours. Just a space tough guy. Looking at the photos now, I may not have experience with Mars photos, but think about it. Stay an extra hour and a half in a place where the metal can be baked and deformed. The weight of this photo. Understand, nearly 10 years, the Solar Dynamics Observatory in Lhasa stares at the sun every day. Hundreds of millions of high-definition photos. This thing takes a picture every 10 seconds in Earth orbit. We use 10 different wavelengths. It is equivalent to changing 10 filters for the sun. How could we have this treatment before? Once he happened to take a picture of the sun blowing hair, not only sprayed with super strong drug spots, and it rained. Don't get me wrong, this is not real rain. It's a magnetic explosion created by the sun's magnetic field. Fireworks are shiny but super dangerous. This rock video is made up of thousands of photos. 1 second equals 6 minutes. And here's the best part. He also put the Earth in it for comparison. You can see it at a glance. If this storm comes for us, the Earth was like a marble in front of him. I can't believe it. Do you remember what happened in August 2014? 67P became the first comet to be observed and landed. It was done by the European Space Agency's Rosetta with Philae. This operation was directly consecrated at that time. No one has ever been inside a comet before. Guess what he looks like? As a result, this shot, it was found that the surface of the comet sprays ice. It's like fireworks. It's just frozen dust and gas. It's cold and cool. And there's this super short rock video. It was taken by the probe 21 kilometers away from the comet. You see that weapon circling in circles under the sun. The stars in the background follow the comet. 25 minutes of footage. Everyone watching got goosebumps. Jupiter is definitely responsible for the appearance of the solar system, but you are looking at pictures of Jupiter. Most have added heavy filters, blue, white, orange, bright eye, until last Juno Ho went to show us the plain face of Jupiter. Actually, the colors are not that bright, darker, but don't be disappointed. His clouds spin like whipped cream in coffee. Messy and spectacular. It looks better than adding filters. That's the real beauty of a gas giant. Next to Saturn, there's a little moon called The detectors that passed by before just took a picture. Didn't take it seriously until Cassini came. I just saw his face. One side is full of old pits, it's pockmarked. The other side is flat like a freshly ground mirror. What's going on? What's even more surprising is that there's a big crack on the flat side. It went around the north side. What does that mean? The interior of Enceladus is still moving, not dead, and then shot a 14-hour time-lapse video, and you can see Enceladus shooting ice into space. It's a real hammer. He hides a global ocean. Who would have thought that such a small satellite could have such a big secret? Now we have millions of space photos. But let's be honest, we've only been around a corner of the solar system. There are still many planets that have not been visited. Many secrets remain unsolved. But these pictures are awesome enough. Let us know how powerful we used to be. Also remind us, the journey to space has to continue. Next time I look at space photos, you might be thinking, which planet will be the next to be stripped of our secrets?